almost never do this. Like, I hardly review things like this. I think the last time was the Yeezy Vermilions. These were dope, so I said, what the heck? Let me double back and give the Salehe Bembury Crocs Clogs at least a review, right? Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. If you haven't, you know all the stuff the YouTubers say. Today, I'm going to do a full, in-depth 4K review on the Salehe Bembury Crocs in the Kuwata colorway. Kuwata stands for like a rich mauve. Mauve is like when you mix brown with pink, you get this kind of Kuwata here. And just off first glance, man, the shoe is different. That's what made the Yeezy Adidas experience so dope, because everything he put out with that Adidas brand just was different, was something we never seen before. We seen Crocs. Crocs been going crazy lately, but we never seen them with this trail blend. Looks like yogurt is spilling. This is dope, man. So rewind. When the first colorway came out with the Salehe Bembury collab with Crocs, we went crazy. I remember waiting online inside that website with the password. I think it was called like Sponge or Sprung. I can't remember. I had my laptop open for like 3 hours before I decided like, yo, it's not gonna happen. Since then, we done got about 6, 7 different colorways. This one being one of the latest ones, along with the black colorway. I think it's called Sasquatch. Crazy, crazy, crazy name. But yeah, they're available now. You can actually get this sneaker You can actually get this clog right now. You want to pause the video, go to In Clothing. They have a crazy winter sale right now. And I picked these up for $81, and that's with duties and taxes from overseas. So you can come back to me. Just make sure you like the video first, and you can steal these right now. StockX prices is for the low, under retail or close to retail. So they're available now, but that doesn't mean the sneaker or the clog is not dope, man. So I've been talking too long, man. Let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get the Salehe Bembury logo on the front. Looks like footprints. Could look like fingerprints. I don't know if anyone's been to jail. I hope not. But that's what it looks like there. But it is in the clog design. So it's definitely footprints. Dope touch at the top. It comes in a brown Yeezy Adidas look box. You got the Crocs logo there with Salehe Bembury's name and also another logo of his. Right there, the Croc logo again. Again here. The special different sticker you see here, like I told you, it came from overseas In Clothing. So that's why it's a special sticker there. And then you actually have a picture of the clog there. And it just reads Salehe Bembury X the clog, the Pylex clog, pale blush. So not mauve, but pale blush. Close enough. And on the front, you just see the Pylex Crocs logo there. The box has an open situation that actually closes firmly, which is dope. And let's start with the left shoe. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Kuwata Pylex Salehe Bembury clog Crocs. So let's start with the top here. What I like about this is the Croc or clog is actually still made for walking and trailing, which is dope because you know you comfortable, and now you can actually walk on rocks and stuff, which is wild. So this here can be pulled off for either just comfort, lounging around like a regular Croc, or if you need that extra piece, you know, around the ankle to support you. So I like that. I also like the color. The color is still in that pale blush mauve colorway. See your brown, you got more brown at the top, but then the pink and the brown mix in. It reads Croc there. Yeah, it reads Croc, Salehe Bembury, and a nice leather touch. In Velcro here, so you can adjust the, you know, the strength of it. You see the tabs there that's holding it in on both sides, so it can actually just pull out. Right here you have again Adidas style. I thought Adidas was the only people who do this in New Balance, but you got a whole bunch of warning information and sizing and things of that nature on here too. Let's get to the clog. I love the design, guys. Like, this is super dope. You have room here just like a regular Croc for your toes to breathe, but the design is dope, man. These are the same color, but being that it's a different texture, this comes out way doper. And it bleeds all the way down to the bottom just like a mud guard. Super dope here, man. The inside reads Crocs. Oh, definitely comfortable, man. This feels like Boost technology in here. Definitely a comfortable feel, man. These sneakers have to be comfortable. Clogs, I mean. But even at the bottom, you can see the fingerprint ridges that Salehe is known for. And that hits all over the shoe, guys. It even comes to the back also, that different texture. Feels the same, but look is different. That was the left shoe. This is the right shoe. Nothing's changed here. I see a little sticker inside that says made in Vietnam. Y'all can catch that there. But everything else from left to right is kind of the same. Yes, sir. So this is a quick review on the Salehe Bembury clogs in the Kuwata colorway. Me personally, I think I should have went with the Sasquatch joints, the all black joints, because that could blend in a lot more and better than these. But this is a dope colorway, especially for like a female, man. Get this video up to 20 likes and I come through and I do a how to style on this, put together some fire pieces to kind of, you know, make this pop a little more. Even though it's already dope, man, just putting these on your feet is going to pop. I'm starting to see the Sasquatch look because this might look like his foot in all black or like some green. So I kind of get it there. But far as molds, this got to be one of the dopest molds in the game right now. I guess until Yeezy get back on his feet and figure out what company he's going to jump into or whatever he's going to do. But this mold is dope, guys. Again, I want to do the how to style on this. Just get this video up to 20 likes and I got y'all, man. I appreciate all the support you guys been giving me. I'm still waiting on Travis Scott's. Once they get here, that review is coming down too. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.